So, brother, you can start from the starting. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. I am hearing.
Yeah. So, what is your name? You can.
So I am Rahul, and I belong to a small district of the state Assam. And now I am studying in BSc first semester in a college in our district. So my family member, I have one brother and one sister, and my father and my mother. So that's what my
So, by which subject are you doing your BSc? Which is your main
yeah.
subject?
I am doing my. You mean major subject?
Yes.
My major subject is physics.
Physics. So,
Generic
brother.
subject.
Yes.
My generic subject is physics.
Okay. So, brother, what's your future plan?
Yeah, my future plan is to join the Indian Armed Forces as an
What?
officer. Indian Armed Forces as an officer.
Indian Army Forces.
Yeah, as an officer. My dream is to, brother, my dream is to give the ND examination, National Defense Academy,
Yes.
and to after that I have to give the SSB interview, and after that
Yes.
I want to join the IMA, Indian Military Academy.
Yes.
So that's my dream.
Oh, good. Your plan is
Yeah.
very good.
Thank you.
So, what do you do for getting your goal? Which types of activity do you do?
So I am still studying now for the ND examination, and I used to wake up early in the morning and I go for a run and something like exercises. I do exercises,
Yes.
and I also prepare. I also working on my English language. I want to strengthen my language. So because English is compulsory in the
Yes.
interview, so I'm doing that.
English. English is very
Yes.
necessary.
Yeah.
So, brother, yeah. So, how long do you study for English, for learning English?
Yeah. So I am not studying like if I am not studying like on daily basis, not like that. But I am learning. I am seeing YouTube. I see YouTube videos like lectures, motivation speech.
Yes, yes.
From that, I learn English, and I also see English movies.
Oh, yeah, good, good. English movie is very good for learning English.
Yes. I also see
Yes,
web series like this.
yes, I also like to watch English movie, and if you want to watch English movie, then you can search on YouTube English movie, English movie Indian from South. Then you will get more videos from South, and that is very good. I have watched it many times.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
so
so have you seen English movie of Dhadkan?
Dharkan?
Yeah, Dhadkan movie English.
No.
Uh, the actor of that picture is Akshay Kumar and Sunil Shetty.
Oh, I have. Let's see. I have. Let's see that.
You have you have you haven't seen.
I
You
see
know.
those movies. Brother, I see those movies, science fiction movies like Interstellar,
Oh,
Inception.
science related to science.
Yeah. That's type of movies I like to see. What's
Yeah, good. Yes. Yes,
and
you
I also
can watch.
watch. Okay.
Yes, you can watch as you like.
Yes.
Yes. And science movie is also good for our life and good for knowledge.
Yes. Science. I love to
Yes.
learn. So,
Yes.
brother, one question.
Yes,
One
yes.
question.
Ask. You can ask.
I see a board in
Yes,
back
yes.
of you. So, are you a teacher?
Yes, this is whiteboard. Yes, I teach some students at my home.
Okay.
Yes. And just I have come back from my institute.
Oh, okay. Which institute?
Yeah, Science Coaching Institute. The name of my institute is Science Coaching Institute from Birgaj.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, which subject do you teach?
No, there I do not teach. There I study, and I teach at my home. after
Right.
after 30 minutes, yeah, after 30 minutes, I will teach some students at my home.
Okay. So you are
Yeah,
doing what coaching like? You are doing like coaching.
yeah, coaching. Yeah, you can understand coaching or tuition.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
So you are earning money from that.
yes. But
Okay.
after completing my exam, I have plan. I will open my own institute.
Okay, okay. Do you know a famous YouTuber of physics wala,
Physics.
Alak Pandey?
Oh, what is his name?
Alak Pandey, physics wala.
Physics wala.
Yeah.
Okay. I will search on my YouTube.
Yeah, he is a famous YouTuber who teaches physics and chemistry both, and
Oh,
he himself. Wait, brother, what a minute.
yes. And I will
And
watch.
he himself struggle in his life. He do more struggle, and fa- he become failure in many times. Many times he become fail, but now uh, now he become the one of the most famous and popular YouTuber of India.
Yes. Failure is not mistake. If you get
Yes,
fail
yes,
in your
yes,
life, yeah, if you
yeah,
get fail in your life, it's not mistake. But after getting failure, you will become more strong.
yes. Yes.
Yeah. Because why he is teaching very well because he has got many failure in his life. So so he has understood if I will not do better than now, then in my life I cannot get my goal and I will be not famous.
Yes.
And also in my life I have got many times failure. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Life is a struggle. We have to
Yeah.
struggle with anything.
Failure is,
Yeah.
I think failure is a very important thing for life,
Yeah, very
because
important.
if
Yeah.
we, yeah, if we, because if we do not fail in life, then we will not understand how to become success. Because
Yeah.
failure makes us success.
Yeah.
By failing, we know the where we are weak. By failing, we know our weaknesses, and we can work on our weaknesses and become strong, and
Yeah.
get success easily.
And and many people they learn from failure because if they get failure in their life, so that time they will think, what did I do in my past? What did I do in my
Yes,
life?
yes, yes,
What?
yes, yes,
Yeah. Yes. And what should I not do in my future? So they understand because if you have spoken any wrong statement, yeah, if you have done any bad work in your life,
yes,
so after getting failure, you can improve. I should not do this type of work. Yes, and I should not use this word with anyone. So failure is not important. And there is one statement I want to tell you. There is one statement in English. Don't afraid of making failure. Don't afraid of making failure. If you don't make if you don't make mistake,
yes,
if you don't make mistake in your life, then how can you learn and how can you improve?
yes. Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely right. So
Yes, but many people they want to get success, but due to some problems, due to lack of knowledge, due to lack of education, they can't get. But if they will struggle, if they will try to again, then they can get definitely.
yes.
Yeah,
So struggle is a part of life. I think struggle and
yeah,
failures are part of life. So
yeah.
first of
Very
all, when you start your journey, then you will definitely have to struggle in your life.
yes.
And in the future you will become a successful in your
Yeah,
field.
yes. Because if you do not struggle in your life, then you will never get success in your life.
Yes.
Yes,
So if we are not failing in our life, then it means that we are not doing some extraordinary things and not great things.
yes,
If we are not failing in our life, then it means that we are not doing extraordinary things and not great things in our life. We are just doing simple things. And
yeah. And yeah. According to my knowledge, as far as I know, maximum people they get failure in their life.
yes,
Yes, and everyone makes mistakes because if you do not make mistake, then you will never do better than now.
Okay, yes, yes.
So, brother, I have one question to you. How long have you been learning English?
What, brother?
Hello.
What?
How
Hello?
long have how long have you been learning English?
English.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I started in an English medium school. So from my child, from
Oh,
teenager, from my junior
since
classes, yeah, since my junior classes, I started English, but not not too much English. I have
yes,
started writing English, how to write, how to express ideas, and after the passing of my class 11 examination, after passing my 11 examination, then I thought that English will be very much compulsory for me, and I
yes, yes,
should know how to speak the English because I am going for the SSB interview. So from class 11, I started learning English, and I practice a lot.
yes, yes. You know, practice makes man perfect. If you do not practice more and more, then you
Yes,
can
yes.
never do better. Yeah, because today I'm whatever I speak is due to practice.
Okay.
Yes, and you know, when you started your learning English, so that time uh, if you do better and if you practice more and more, then you can speak English very well.
Yes, yes, yes. So,
Yeah. Yes, speak.
so I have one doubt, and I have one question that many people while speaking English has hesitation. Means they stops and they can speak. They can think what to speak, and they stops. They hesitate. So, how can we overcome that hesitation? It's
Yeah.
also I also hesitate some.
Okay, okay, yes. Don't
I
worry, I
can
will tell.
think what to speak.
No, no, no. Yeah, first of all, please make you can look at your mobile because I cannot see your face properly.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Sorry.
yeah. So your question is like that: how to improve our hesitation while speaking time? Many people they feel hesitation and they cannot
Yes. Yes.
speak.
Yes. They
Yeah,
cannot think what to speak.
yes, yes.
They
So
can think here. They can think in their local language like Hindi or
yes, yes,
another language, but they can think in English what to speak.
yes. So brother, now I'm going to tell you. You know, whenever you are communicating with anyone, so that time you should think, I can talk to you very well. And that time you have to think one thing in your mind. Whenever you are going to ask any question and whenever you are going to talk with anyone, so that time you have to think suddenly in your mind what I have to speak, which types of sentence I have to use. So that time you can focus about your sentence
Okay.
in which in which form my subject is belong. It means if your subject is present, if your sentence is past, if your sentence
Yes.
is
Yes.
future.
Yes.
Yeah. So you
Yeah.
have to think about three types: present, past,
Yeah.
and if your present, past, and future is strong, then you
Yes.
can speak very well. Because now I'm going to give you some examples. Because many students, if I want to ask you, what do you do? Then many students they also speak, what did you do? What will you do? So they
Yes.
don't
Yes.
use So they don't use correct sentence while speaking speaking time.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And main problem is that we have to try to practice more and more. And if your tense is your complete, and if you have a command on your tense, then you can speak English very well.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
you know,
Yes.
bro. Uh, First of all, I'm going to tell you one question. If you want to make your English conversation very strong and very fluently, then you can do one thing. First of all, you should try to complete your tense. If your tense is complete, then you can speak English very well because you know, tense is the 50% of
Yes. Yes. Yes.
spoken.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if you have studied about your tense very well, then your 50% you can complete.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
you know.
one more. Okay.
Yes, ask.
So one more question that many people while speaking they feel nervousness and anxiety. So how to remove that and how to become more confident when
Yes,
while
yes,
speaking.
yeah, yes. This is very good question for beginner.
Yes.
And yes, so if you are going to talk with anyone, so that time that time you have to think in your mind, I am not, I am not less than you. I will talk to you today very well.
Okay.
Because many students they think your English is very strong, so I cannot
Yes,
talk to
yes,
you. Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes,
So you have to not think in your mind like this. You have to think, yes, I will also speak like you, and I will speak better than you. If you think in your mind, then you can
oh,
speak.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, yeah. Because now you are talking to me, and if you think my English is very strong and you can't speak like me, so you can never speak. But if you think I can talk to you very well, and I will reply your every answer, so you can speak very well.
yes, yes. So
Yes,
one more question, that simple question: Does
yes.
grammar does grammar play a very important role in spoken English or not?
Yeah, you can
Grammar
say
means
not important.
all the voices and that all
Yeah, you
voice
can speak.
skills.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can speak. Is grammar important for your speaking or not?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah. So now I'm going to tell you, grammar is very important. If you many people's listen, many people's they say grammar is not important, but grammar is very important. If you preparing for about any competitive exam,
yes,
so
yes,
that time grammar will definitely help you because
yes.
that time speaking will not help you. But in a
Oh,
speaking, but in a speaking, you can you can speak anything like you don't need to use correct sentence. You don't need to use your preposition and anything. In a
yes,
speaking, you can use any words, but whenever you are going to write anything, so that time you should
yes,
try.
yes, yes,
So that time you should try to write every word very good.
yes.
Yes.
So one more is that we need to increase our communication skill, like that many people we've seen that they while speaking they maintain their communication skills very well, like this with their hands, with their eyes. They can feel people what they are speaking with their eyes, with their hands, like this. And this is, I think, uh, we need to increase our communication skill. So
Yes.
communication skill is very important, I think.
Yes, 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 very important. Yes, if your communication skill is good, then you can
And a
give.
good body language, and a good
Yeah,
body language.
yes.
Yeah.
So, while speaking time, facial expression, body language,
Yes, yes,
and yes, it is very important and it is very necessary because if your facial expression, if your body language is very good, then and if your communication is very good, so everyone will like your speech and they will think you are speaking very good and you are not feeling hesitation. And
yes,
yes, and if your communication skill is good, then you can get a good job in any sector, in any
yes, yes,
government sector or any
yes,
private
right, right.
sector. Yes. So communication skill is very important.
Yeah.
So brother, this is very long conversation with you. So bye today. You can talk to me next time. And I
Okay,
hope
okay. I
yes.
have sorry, I have one last question. Can I ask last question?
Okay, okay. Ask.
So, uh, during speaking, is it necessary to use strong words, strong vocabulary, and we can also speak with can we speak with strong words? This will can this will improve our English, and is it necessary to use means strong words?
Yes, yes. Listen, yes.
We can
Your
also use
question.
simple words.
But whenever you are talking with anyone, and if you are using a strong words and what can I say, very hard words, so
Yes, yes,
that time another person they can't understand.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
but if you are using easy words, then he can understand very well, and he will try to talk with you more and more.
yes, yes.
Yes, and he can talk with you a long time. But if you are using hard word and strong words, so he will try to leave the call and he will
Yes,
think I cannot talk to you. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah. And it doesn't matter are you using a hard word or are you using easy word. if you are using easy words, so many people they will understand. They will like your speech. So we should try to use every time easy word while speaking time.
Yes, yes. I
So
understand.
brother,
So bye bye. Nice to meet you and pleasure to talk you.
yeah,
Okay,
brother,
okay.
you can call me anytime next time.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, brother. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.